Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through a typical volume fill appointment with me, starting off with lash cleanse using a disposable lint-free applicator brush and just working the lash cleanser through the lashes and making sure the skin area around the eye is super clean. And you always want to make sure you clean the skin really well because it'll help the gel pads and tape adhere more securely. I like to cut my tape into thin strips like these. I use 4 pieces for the lower lashes, and then I use 1 piece horizontally over the eyelids to maneuver the lash line without exposing the eyes. Next, I would start manually removing any grown out lashes where the extensions have moved more than 1 to 2 millimeters away from the lash line. Any extensions that might be twisted. I have a separate pair of removal tweezers, which are basically tweezers that I use just to remove lashes because you're using a lot of force to peel the lashes apart, which can wear out or damage the inside of the tweezers over time. So you definitely do not want to use your good set of lashing tweezers to do this. I use the banana peel method where I use the left tweezer to hold onto the natural lash, and then I use my right tweezer to peel the extensions off. I always peel the extension towards me in a downwards motion while peeling the natural lash away from me, also in a downward motion. For more control, make sure your tweezer is gripping the natural lash and the extensions as close to where the glue bonding or attachment is. I find that this works best for me and I use less pressure when peeling the lashes apart. I also find that using a boot-shaped tweezer has a better grip on the extensions, which makes peeling much easier, and for gripping the natural lashes, I prefer using a straight tweezer with a slight 20-degree angle. Now it's finally time to start lashing. I typically start lashing in areas that are more sparse, where extensions have shed more. Here I'm starting in the inner corners, so I use the tapes on the eyelids to stretch the eyelid outward, which helps to spread out the inner corner lash line. I also like to lash back and forth from eye to eye. I find that this helps maintain balance while I'm lashing and ensuring that both eyes have the same amount of lashes applied. This also helps the extensions cure and dry on one eye while I hop over and work on the other eye. Okay, let's slow things down a little so you can see more clearly what it looks like when I'm lashing. So when isolating, I use my volume tweezer to move and sort through the lashes. I flip the tweezer so that the tips are pointing towards me, and I find that it helps moving the lashes aside. At the same time, I'm using the isolation tweezers to separate the lashes as well. I love using the slim and long tweezer. It really helps with hard to reach areas of the eye. The slim and slightly angled tips also makes it easier to isolate the lashes. One of the most important things about lashing is keeping your hands and fingers relaxed at all times. See how my fingers on my left hand are super relaxed, straight, and just effortlessly resting on my client's forehead. There's no strong pressure or tense grip needed. The isolation tweezer just rests in between my thumb and index finger at all times. With the volume tweezer, you can also see that my right hand is generally pretty relaxed with a soft grip on the tweezer. You'll also notice that I'm wearing magnifying glasses, and honestly they're so useful and makes it so much easier to see the natural lashes and all the details of the lash line. I've never had any issues with my eyesight from lashing, and I actually think it plays a major role in helping me maintain my posture as well because I'm not hunching forward. This volume fill took about an hour and 45 minutes to complete. Let's check out the results. I used 0.07 lashes in D-curl with 8 millimeters in the inner corners, then 9, 10, 11, and finishing off the eye with 12 millimeters to create this modified cat eye and open eye look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more lash videos.